Hi, welcome to the Pentart Playbook. This is where I'm going to show you all about the different Pentart products. I'm Shannon, and I am from Pick & Boots Vintage. Let's get started. Ceramic Pentart Decoupage Varnish and Glue. Ceramic Decoupage Varnish and Glue. What it is a special formulated decoupage medium that is specially formulated just for ceramics. It's a water-based glue, just like the rest of them. It's thick, durable, and will have a glossy look when it's done. So what we're going to do is, how you use this is you take your decoupage medium and you're going to apply a layer on top of your ceramic piece. Place your decoupage paper carefully and smooth out any imperfections. I'm just going to use my brush. Once it's dry, put it in the oven at 285 degrees and bake it for 5 minutes. For the best adhesion on glazed ceramics, lightly sand the surface before putting it on. It creates a little bit of a better grip.